7 consequences of drinking too little water. Staying healthy at this time of year requires drinking enough fluids. Since summer has arrived, one aspect of your daily routine must change. You must consume more water. If you don't have appropriate water intake control when exercising or walking in hot weather, you could soon become dehydrated. According to Sekiko Minagawa, MS, RDN, LD, drinking enough water keeps your body functioning normally, and depriving yourself of it might upset your system and perhaps make you feel ill. Here is a quick explanation of how much water you should strive to drink each day before asking Minagawa to discuss some of the negative impacts that you may encounter if you don't drink enough of it. How much water per day should you be consuming? There are several ways to determine how much water a person requires, but according to Minagawa, the average intake for men and women each day is about 12.5 cups and 9 8-ounce cups, respectively. As outdoor temperatures and activity levels rise, so does the advised water consumption. Body size affects intake requirements as well. According to Minagawa, the body adjusts with the increase in core temperature when exercising by sweating to disperse the heat. To replace the fluid lost through sweat, athletes should increase their hydration intake. To avoid dehydration, she generally advises consuming 3 to 8 fluid ounces every 15 to 20 minutes of exercise. What are a few instant negative repercussions of not getting enough water? According to Minagawa, there are 5 symptoms that could point to dehydration. 1. Increase in body temperature. Sweating is your body's natural method of regulating its internal temperature and cooling itself. Your body cannot effectively sweat without adequate water, which causes your core temperature to rise and make you feel overheated. 2. Decrease in blood pressure. According to Minagawa, dehydration is primarily caused by a reduction in plasma volume, the liquid portion of the blood that contains proteins. As a result, blood pressure also decreases. 3. Nausea or vomiting. You can have nausea or possibly start throwing up as a result of the increase in internal body temperature, the drop in blood pressure, and the rise in heart rate. 4. Muscle cramp. Exercise-induced muscle cramps are linked to sweating, which can lead to a drop in plasma volume and electrolyte levels. 5. Constipation. Water aids in the movement of food through your digestive tract. You can experience a water deficit and feel backed up. Minagawa does note out that it is possible to drink too much water and that the negative effects are comparable, despite the fact that it is not nearly as common. What are some of the most severe long-term consequences of inadequate water intake? If you continue to consume insufficient amounts of water, you run the danger of 1. Urinary tract infection and kidney stones. If you frequently experience UTIs or kidney stones, it's possible that you aren't drinking enough water to flush out germs and minerals that cause stones. 2. Bronchopulmonary conditions, or exercise-induced asthma. Hydration status and the fluid in the lungs and airway play a significant role in proper airway clearance. The author adds, there are many more methods to stay hydrated without drinking water, so carry a reusable water bottle with you this summer to avoid all of these negative impacts. According to Minagawa, other excellent sources of fluids include smoothies, soups, milk, and fruits. Thanks for watching. If you like the content, please subscribe for more video like this.